Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change date and time on Chromebook. First, you'll need to go down to the bottom right hand corner and you'll tap on the current time. Then you're going to tap on the settings cog. And from here, you're going to go over to the bottom left hand corner and you're going to tap on advanced. Then you're going to tap on date and time and you're going to select time zone, and from here you can tap on use your IP address to determine location, or you can use Wi-Fi if you like to change it, or you can tap on choose from list. And here you'll see numerous countries that you can choose from to change the time. You'll simply scroll down and select the time zone that best suits you. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative on how to change date and time on Chromebook.